Days before the president's fifth State of the Nation address, environmental groups seek clearer policies and climate action from the Marcos administration. Ched Gatchalian is on the phone for more. Ched, what do they want?
My President Bongbong Marcos with a task and green scorecard. That's according to environmental groups and Akbayan party list. Few days before his State of the Nation address next week. Philippine Misayor Partnership Incorporation and Rights of Nature Philippines expressed concerns on what they call a pattern of unmet promises for concrete environmental policies and climate actions. They claim that PBBM's speech may once again emphasize tech innovations, foreign investment, clean energy, and blue and green economy on his upcoming SONA, but they ask at what cost. Akbayan Representative Kong Dada Kiran Ismula explained environmental issues should also be emphasized in PBBM's fifth SONA.
Ang State of the Nation dapat kabilang din ang state of our nature. Tungkulin ng Administrasyong Marcos Jr. na tiyakin ang ating kalikasan at ang ating mga environmental defenders na nagtatanggol dito ay may ligtas at tiyak na kinabukasan.
Akbayan Representative Percy Sandanya also said, if Mother Nature could give a grade to Marcos Jr., it will be a failing grade for allowing mining and reclamation projects. Yolanda Esquera of PMPI said the Marcos Jr. administration continues to allegedly sacrifice the environment for infrastructure, mining, tech hubs like Pac Silica, and subdivisions. The environmental groups gave failing marks to Marcos Jr. in areas like climate change mitigation, combating loss of biodiversity, pollution, and protecting environmental defenders. They explained the failing grades do not mean there were no efforts, but they said the climate actions of the government are not enough, and the same environmental problems persist. Community leaders also attended the press con, saying several residents and indigenous people in mountain ranges and forests are allegedly being threatened in areas where some infrastructures are planned to be built. Mai?
Ched, what are some of the solutions that these groups are offering after their environmental audit on the Marcos administration?
The environmental are asking PBBM to prioritize the passage of the Rights of Nature Bill, saying it recognizes that rivers, forests, wetlands, oceans, and all ecosystems have inherent rights to exist and flourish. Ay ibig sabihin nito, may gusto nila na magkaroon ng legal rights. Yung mga bodies of water, bodies of land, kilalanin sila na parang human rights din para maprotektunan at mabigyan ng karampatang depensa laban sa mga nang-aabuso sa kanila. You're also pushing for the passage of the proposed Ecocide Prevention Bill, which would mandate higher legal accountability for any severe ecological destruction. That's all, back to you.
Thank you, Ched Gatchalian, reporting.